Want to know how to send stars on Facebook Reels? Sending stars on Facebook Reels allows users to support content creators and show appreciation for their work. Hello everyone, I'm Justin from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to send stars on Facebook Reels. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your screen. Now tap on the video icon at the top of your screen. You're in the video, you can see the Show Your Support button. Tap on it. Furthermore, you can send the star by tapping on the Send button. However, you need to pay a certain amount to send the star. So this is how to send star on Facebook Reels. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.